Hey, it's Mark Nolan in the DEI Garage, and today I want to tell you about this. This is a must-have for sure. Fire tape. Really, multi-use, self-using tape. Uses anything from covering wires to sealing temporary leaks and a whole lot more. So it's made of a non-adhesive silicone rubber. Fire tape it's waterproof. It remains flexible. It does not leave a sticky residue or anything like that after you take it off. It's ideal for use with fire sleeve and other DEI line and hose protective sleeving products. It's going to seal and protect the ends of the sleeving itself. It serves as an excellent insulating alternative to vinyl tapes and wraps as well. Some of the other uses include wrapping wiring harnesses, cover and protect wire splices, and electrical wire terminations as well. It's corrosion and moisture resistant. Stretch and wrap application, so it'll move out to about 3 times its size and then ultimately connects to itself. 700 psi tensile strength, permanent air liquid tight seal. It withstands 500 degrees Fahrenheit direct continuous heat. Self-bonding, it's self-curing. It comes in a 1-inch wide by 36-foot roll. It's fire tape. You can get it at designengineering.com.